Hey guys, Ross here, your project manager at Lifestyle Property People. So I just want to say congratulations on your new purchase, 16 Thornton Gardens, and I'm just at the property now and I just wanted to give you a little tour around and show you the place. So I'm in the house now. This is the kitchen area. It's a nice large kitchen, which is good. Normally pay quite a premium for a large kitchen, but yeah, really good sized kitchen. I suppose kitchen diner with all this area over here. It's not in bad condition. We're going to strip the wallpaper and just try and brighten the place up a little. So this is the back garden, which is going to need a little bit of TLC. Trim it all down and make it a bit lower maintenance. So we'll go through to the lounge. Again, a decent sized room. These ceiling tiles, they're like a polystyrene, they're a fire hazard, so they'll all be coming down. There's quite a few of them throughout, but we'll be getting rid of all them, making it nice and safe for your tenants. So this is the front garden. It's not really a garden, it's just, well, it is a garden, but it's just not very big. So this is the front door, and this is the hallway. So as you come into the house, you've got the stairs to upstairs, the lounge to the right, and then the kitchen to the back. So we'll head upstairs. So as you come upstairs, you've got your bathroom here on the left, rear bedroom, front master bedroom, and the small bedroom. So the bathroom's in pretty good condition. I'm guessing this was done within the last few years. Nice big walk-in shower. Very little work in here. So bed 2. In here we'll be stripping all the room, stripping the ceiling tiles, and bringing it back to life. Very similar in each room really, stripping the ceiling tiles, stripping the walls, stripping the carpets, plastering as needed. Try and keep that to a minimum if we can to keep the cost down. Decoration, and as I say, just bring the property back to life. So that's the property. It's quite a good property, to be fair. Needs a bit of modernisation, but it's a good size. 3-bedroom, which is good. Nice little cul-de-sac in a decent area of Leeds. So yeah, good purchase. Congratulations. I'll let you know how we get on. If you've got any questions along the way, don't be afraid to get in touch with myself or one of the team. Thanks guys, see you soon.